but Carl is part of the...
Originally from America, enlisted voluntarily in the French forces at the start of the war. Behind his bravery hid a man already devastated by the war's effects. A man with one sole obsession: punish those who had destroyed his life.
I'm guessing Freddy was an American who visited France.
It was at the Battle of the Marne that Freddy finally picked up the trail of the regiment commanded by Baron von Hof.
Oh, okay. Let's do this, Freddy. Yeah, Freddy was an American touring France when the war broke out. And I think he lost his wife in the midst of the war. Let's get through this. Right, let's go. Can you punch? Oh, I can punch. Okay. Oh, but okay. Nice. New diary unlocked. Let's have it. Okay, never mind. Let's go. Don't really want to be punching barbed wire. Not a good idea, Freddy. Right, let's grab this. Because knowing me... Oh, crud. Well, okay. That was close. Let's do that instead. Good idea. Okay, I did not blow up the enemy. Sorry, my friendly. Okay, oh god, how high can I throw this? Oh, for God's sake. Try that again. There we go, that's what I wanted. That should blow that up, which allows me to climb up the hill. Oh, lordy, okay. Never mind. That's what I wanted. No worries. So obviously we're... Come on, Freddy. Get through that barbed wire. There we go. Let's go. Yeah, so much death and destruction. Oh my... Whoa, okay. Well, he's dead. Ah, I see what I've got to do. Whoop! Nice. So... I've got to... I can already see what I've got to do. I'm going to take a bomb with me just in case. Okay. I'm going to run. And I'm going to go up. Hang on. Take a brick instead. Can I just throw that down the hole and... Yes! Oh, no, I just pissed him off. Okay. Wait a minute. What if I can use it as a distraction? So now if I run up behind him... Punch him. Yeah, nice. Right. Let's get down here. So we've got to blow up this bridge, haven't we? I'm going to grab this. So what am I supposed to do with the dynamite? Have I got to do like a chain? Wait, hang on. Have I got to do like sort of like a chain? What if I can throw it? Okay, never mind. What if I can... Yeah, that's what I have to do. I've got to create a chain. Clever. Now, let's blow the sucker. Oh, I've made them run for their lives. Nice. Freddy doing his part. Let's get rid of this. Won't be needing that anymore. Let's get back, I suppose. I don't think I've got a... Nah, I've got to keep going. Don't think there's anyone I've got to reconcile with. Can I jump or... maybe... Oh, there's a bit of dynamite down there. Let's blow that up. See what that does. Yeah, of course, that's how it works. Hey, Freddy doing some awesome shit there. Oh, Freddy is awesome. That is a ladder. That's obvious. These puzzles are... I'm understanding these puzzles a lot more. I know I really got stuck on that first one earlier. I'm doing a lot better now, though. Gunfire. Ow! Oh, I did not see that coming. Whoops. Ah, take two. Okay, get back, get back. When you see it, don't move. Oh, God. Okay, get down into the trench. Right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm Gonna wait here. And when he's got to reload. There we go. Okay. Right, let's get back down into the trench, because I know I'm not going to be able to make it. Yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of this game now. It's going well. That doesn't kill me. That's right above my head, that gunfire. Let's get it in there. Ah, that should collapse the building on top of them. And then I can just throw another one in. And he doesn't even realise. Oh, yes he does. Goodbye. Right, let's do this. Oh, you want me to get on the turret now? Punch that down. Oh, there's Baron von what's his name? Oh, he's legged it. He's getting the fuck out of dodge. Holy shit. Come on, let's go. Oh, God. Okay, more gunfire. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. So I'm in here. Oh, my God, okay. Wonder if I can go into here. That's what I wanted. So now I can grab one of these. Get that ladder down. Careful. Oh, he can look down that ladder. I wonder if I can distract his attention by... How am I supposed to distract his attention? I wonder if I can distract it through here. Yes, 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 yes. Hang on, hang on. Go, 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 go. Punch, 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 punch. Yes! One thing I don't understand is why was Freddy never given a gun? What we got here? Fruit? Can I... Okay, they don't hear a thing when I do that. They don't hear a thing when I do that either. Okay. What if I... Ah! Here we go. Turn around. Go for the other one. Yes! Spacebar. Now that is epic.
Thanks to support from British forces, the German plan failed. The front line moved back to the north, and with the arrival of winter, froze. Soldiers holed up amid a vast labyrinth of trenches and tunnels that would become the indelible image of the Great War.
Oh my God.
Karl's regiment retreated to the outskirts of Neuve-Chapelle, the same camp where Emile was being held prisoner.
Ah. Story's starting to come together nicely. And of course they're getting pissed as arseholes. Emile not too happy. Don't blame him. Let's go get him some food. Yeah, I think that's Walt. Gotta go get. Oh God. Okay. No, he wants some water. There you go, Walt. Wonder how he comes to be. Thanks, Walt. Okay. What's this? Oh my God. Okay, what's going on? So I am in chains. So another puzzle, I'm guessing. Oh, they do speak English. You can hear them. But they speak French as well.
Dearest Papa, we live in a climate of uncertainty. Germans use the people of Saint-Mihiel as human shields against the French bombings.
Jesus.
I hope the Germans treat you well, and that your wound has healed. Your grandson sent you kisses. I sent you a picture of him. All my love. Please write soon.
They're getting restless. Yeah, I know you want food. Bloody. Oh, hang on. What's that? Collectible. Nice. I'm going to find a couple of collectibles. I don't think I can find them all. Okay, so what we're going to try and do... So I'm going to put that there. Go past it. Hang on, you bloody impatient bastard. Not that, not that. Oh, Jesus. I don't think I was meant to do that. How do you... Bubble the water. Okay, I don't think I'm supposed to do that. So impatient. Okay, for some reason I can run over fire. Gonna ignore that. So, go back. No, okay. Hey, there we go. Now what? Maybe out here? I suppose. That looks interesting. Something's going on. Whoa! Best move. And I forgot to move. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, let's run. Let's run. Back to cover. There's Walt again. Left alt. Okay. Oh, no. One. Oh, so you can play as Walt as well.
Merci.
Merci. God, they're stuck in it. Can I... Yeah, let's break it down. I love how he's still got his ladle with him. Come on, let's move. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, you can't hit him. I was hoping you could. Went up to the balloon. So he did make it out alive. Right, what do we got to do here? Is Walt going to show me what to do? Let's press F1, get a hint. Next hint in 1 minute 30. Right. Oh, left alt.
What?
Number 4. Nah, number 1. That's what I need. So we can go retrieve it. Oh, bring it back. Hang on. Thank you. Good boy. Oh, it's such a good game. It really is. Come on, let's go. Gotta escape this place. Ah, okay, what do we have to do here? He's got my wine. Hang on. So if I press left alt...
Hey, what?
No, I can't make him do anything. But I can go this way. What can I do in here? Ooh, okay. Grab this. See what we can do here. And as far as it can come. And I can't run past it either. Ah, I have an idea. What if I do this? And then do that? No. So let's press left alt. Walt can't come to me at the moment. So let's push it back in. There's nothing else in here. What am I looking for? If I do that, what if I can press alt now? Run. Yes. There we go. Figured it out. Let's get Walt up here. So now if I go to alt, no, okay. Oh, we just go straight back down again, okay. So let's do that, then let's do this. Pull Walt back up here. Has he got to move? How do I get him to move? Oh, of course. What am I doing? Of course. There we go. Let's go. I'm overthinking some of these puzzles. I love how we've still got my wine. Can I have my wine back? Thank you. Don't need that anymore. Let's keep going. And what made it to the bottom? Bloody hell, this is a wasteland. So much war going on. Plus D. Okay, I'm digging down for some reason. Oh, there we go. And, well, made it down here. I think his name's Walt. I'm going to have to have a look in the next session at that. Oh. Okay. I did not see it. Oh, I almost did it again. Okay, so he can tell me of when there's bombs around. Live bombs. Thanks, Walt. Don't worry, Walt. I'll come back. I'll come get you. Oh, never mind. He's already got down here with me. Oh, now I wish I had that wine bottle. God damn it. Maybe I can ignore that bit. Oh, I found something. Oh, left alt. 1. What's that? He's found me a bone. Hey, good boy. Right. Now, if I'm correct, I can use that bone. We can get back. We can get up here. And he's got his bone back. Happy dog. Such a happy dog. No. Now, before we get to the bombs, let's grab this, and it's another item. Hey, how nice. Oh, this game is fantastic. I love it. Absolutely love it. Come on, let's keep going. Beautifully stunning game. Oh, hang on. Sorry, Walt. I'm going to need the bone again. Thank God he wasn't standing near that. Okay, let's dig our way through here. Nice. I don't know about this. Pardon me. Oh, okay. This is how the digging works in the game. Okay. Interesting. Careful. Yes, got around it. I love how Walt's now on that side. Oh boy. Let's go. Oh no. This game does have its this game does have its funny moments as well. Oh, and not so funny. Oh, that's not good. Minutes earlier on the other side of the front.
The British troops continued their attack on Neuve-Chapelle. Their next objective, take back Port Arthur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right, I think I'm going to end it here. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I am really enjoying this game. Valiant Hearts is a really fun game. The artistic style is beautiful. They've done it really well so far. I really look forward to playing the rest of the game. So again, thank you all for watching. I hope you have a good day. Take care, and I shall see you all in the next video. Goodbye.